jotno khulumo joto sini tripahani takuk tei buku songno te ang norokni khoroksa student organization ni ATISA ni general secretary Baithang Debbarma tini ang je sini Bubagra no lasima sinsa khaimani no tui ang kisa sa tini jikonsa o kok sanamu chungkha aboke ang English bai sasinai jatui buni bukung kolok jati tai sini borok tongnai rogo giano haptung yang tini kisa sanamu chungo aboke ang sawana I am Baithang Debbarma, ATISA General Secretary, and we ATISA, our ATISA team, strongly condemn on the incident which was not supposed to be happen today. We have seen at the Mairang nearby Omarpur in the social media that some BJP immature Janajati Morcha followers have insulted our Bubagra by burning his PG, and it is very clear that those Janajati Morcha followers, they have zero respect and irresponsible, and they are doing the short-term politics in the state. So we ATISA strongly condemn and oppose, and we will not tolerate, our team will not tolerate this incident. So we will stand beside our Bubagra. We all know that he is the son of the soil, so he is also the son of 184 king. So we will stand with Bubagra, and you Janajati Morcha people's followers, you should have some common sense on yourself that you are also one of the Tiprasa. So after 2023 you will become a zero, so we don't know that time where you people will stay and where you will stand. So from today onwards, you think properly, work properly, and be careful with what you are doing right now. So this is intolerable, so unacceptable, so we will not let it happen again. So I request everyone, and I also request to some Janajati Morcha followers, insulting Bubagra is insulting all the Tiprasa. So please stop and have some respect in yourself, and also have respect of all over Tiprasa. Hambai, thank you.